Kaizen or continuous improvement. What is Kaizen? Kaizen stands for continuous improvement, or small incremental improvements, of all areas of a company. Kaizen word comes from the Japanese words kai, which means change or improvement, and zen, which means for betterment. The lean tool Kaizen includes the involvement of all employees, from top management to bottom personnel. Benefits of Kaizen. It improves processes by eliminating waste. Promotes personal growth of employees and the company. Kaizen improves quality, safety, cost structures, delivery, environments, and it improves customer service and satisfaction. How to implement Kaizen at our workplace. The Kaizen method is generally implemented in 5 different steps. 1. Identify an area having a problem. 2. Analyze the data and method for the current process method. 3. Testing and evaluating improvement possibility. 4. Implement improvements. 5. Analyze results and present them to top management for feedback.